sexy clown, so I was asked to do a lip tutorial of the lip look that I did for yesterday's look. So this is going to be the video showing how I did that. I am going to do multicolor, so black outline with purple inside this time, but the exact same look. Okay. So now I'm going to take it down, down, and then go like that. And I'm going to take it a little bit up. So now we'll outline the bottom lip. So we'll start down here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the second color. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of bronzer, a little brush, and go up here. This is the final look, and I think I got it pretty good. And these are the lipsticks that I used. These are from Ink Doll Cosmetics. We have Almost Famous and Liquid Latex, and I definitely recommend their makeup. I think it's really awesome, and they have a lot of colorful stuff for the alternative cuties. So yeah, thank you for watching. Mwah.